Okay, so this is day one. Well, technically, to be quite honest, we started like a while back because there's a lot of work to do. We're working on our Santa's Airbnb because, as you heard, he's coming to Fashion Design Gallery here in Las Vegas. And we are on a very tight timeline to get ready. This is our first time doing it. There's a lot of trial and error, and we're still running a business, our school. We're getting ready for Halloween. There's Thanksgiving. There's just so much going on. This is our number one project for the winter time. So we're getting ready. I hope you guys are following along because I want you to build up that excitement because we're excited, and we're taking the Santa experience on a different level, and we want to show you how much work and what goes behind it. So then when you come in, you have a little story of the process of how it went down. I'm talking to you. I'm saying I need to make some of these. No, like make boxes out of these so she can already add them into the wall because. Right now we are in a process mode. So as I mentioned before, we're creating different designs of like different parts of the room where some of them is gonna have, a gift box wall design where people can take photos, something cute. So that's what I'm working on. They've been already like working every day, seriously. Our whole team, it's just because there's so much work and preparation that goes in. And plus, because we're doing it with our own hands, that's the main key of this. Like we're creating this. We're actually giving ourselves a challenge of how to make certain things, like researching stuff. Because yeah, sure, we can buy things too, and of course we are buying a lot of things, but there's certain things that we can just create with our hands because we also show our students that we made that. So, and then that's what you will see in this process, that we are creating things. Our students are even gonna make some artwork as like Santa's photos, or whatever that comes in the Santa's, the atmosphere of his Airbnb in Las Vegas. Guys, okay, my mom is saying is that when I was a little kid, I've always just actually, I think because we lived in Russia, and in Russia, how you pack your gifts for like Christmas or New Year or whatever, you just put them in a bag. It's not like a box. Like back when I was a little kid, it wasn't like a thing. People just like, it was a nice bag, like a Christmas holiday bag. But I think from watching movies, American movies, everything was in boxes.
Home Alone.
Home Alone, yes, Home Alone. Everything is in boxes and like so pretty. So that's what I've always like wanted. And I think when we moved to America.
No, and you always, I'm asking, what do you want for gift? They say, I don't care about what inside. I want lots of boxes. Is lots of box.
Like bows. I just want boxes. I don't care about what's inside. That's always been my dream because aesthetically it looks cute. Yeah. Piece of fireplace just arrived, so just kidding. It's actually not even heavy. This is gonna go in here. There's also this. Oh, it's like a speed of fire.
Ну да, Кать, тут по-любому будет это. Она ее никогда будет туда все кирпичи.
Я поняла, про что ты говоришь.
Да.
Я думала, ты имела про которые такие sparkly. We got the fireplace, the important piece of the fireplace. Follow along. We are building out Santa's Airbnb because he's coming to our studio, and we're trying to create a beautiful atmosphere for him. You're following along because we're going to provide you more details on what we're working on. It's going to be a very exciting event with limited spots. You don't want to miss that announcement. Make sure you're watching our journey as we're creating Santa's Airbnb here in Las Vegas.